Hello winemakers, this is Frank Renaldi from Musto Wine Grape in Hartford, Connecticut, and I'm very excited to announce that we put together a series of comprehensive videos on how to make wine at home. We've covered many topics, and it's been a long time coming. I've wanted to do this myself for years, and the reason is I've worked hard on my own to struggle and try to learn. Now my background is I've been making wine for over 18 years. My entire basement is a winery. I have a tank room, a barrel room. Right now we're sitting in my bottle room where I store my wines. I also do consulting at wineries, so I understand the professional level, and all I'm doing is taking it down to the home winemaker level so that you can make wine as good as a winery can. I teach all the classes up at Musto Wine Grape, but this is a very intense course that we have for you. We teach you how to make wine from start to finish in layman's terms. Nothing's complex, I walk you through it. We have over 40 videos that have a lot of hands-on demos. Probably the best one is the crushing and destemming of the grapes, the balancing of the must, and then we teach you how to use a bladder and a ratchet press. We do tannin adjustments, whether we raise or remove tannins. We also teach you wine faults, which is very important. To be a good winemaker, you need to know how to identify a fault and fix it. So we are excited about this. We'd like you to come to our website, check out all the different videos, all the different series, and let us help you be a good winemaker. We'll see you then.